Another tech tip for replacing this mode door cable on Toyota Corollas. This customer attempted to replace a radio head unit on his own, and in the process broke the cables for the mode door. Brought it to us saying he couldn't switch between face vent and defrost. He'd broken these cables right down here. That cable assembly plugs into the back of your HVAC control knobs, and that's how you switch between different modes. When you turn the knob, it pulls the cables. You do have to pull the upper and lower dash pads out of the car to change this, because the cable plugs into the air box right in the back there, and you can't get to it unless the dash is off. The cable is also positioned so tightly in between the air box and the blower motor that you have to remove the blower motor. Instead of pulling the blower motor, you can just remove the bolts for it and slightly slide it out of the way. There's two nuts up on the firewall, here and here, that hold a adapter vent to the blower motor. Once those are off, you then remove a bolt that goes to the dash frame, another bolt on this bracket that goes to the bottom of the blower motor. There are also 3 bolts, 2 at the bottom of the blower motor and 1 on the side here. Once you have that blower motor out of the way, that just pops off the side of the airbox and you can pull it out. Like, follow, and comment if you want to see more videos like this.